Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, my name is Tiffany. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make the absolute best flaxseed gel for natural hair. Seriously, whether you want to use it for detangling as a pre-poo treatment, defining your curls as a deep conditioner, laying your edges, or even as a moisturizer and leave-in, this recipe is for you. By now, you can probably tell that flaxseed gel has endless uses when it comes to natural hair care, but we are taking things to the next level today. For this ultimate recipe, we are using 6 incredible ingredients: rosemary, fenugreek, ginger, cloves, hibiscus, and of course, the star of the show, flaxseed. I start by thoroughly washing any ingredients that need it, which in this case are the rosemary, fresh ginger, and hibiscus. Next, I place all these dynamic ingredients into a pot, except for the flaxseed, and add water. For this specific batch, I used 2 cups of water because that's the exact quantity of gel I wanted to make. I let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes to really draw out all of those benefits, and then I sieve it. Quick tip, if you're short on time, you can absolutely combine everything with the flaxseed all at once and simmer it together. There's no problem with that, but for this particular video, I chose to do it in batches to get the cleanest infusion possible. Now, that gorgeous infused water we just strained is exactly what we are going to use to make our flaxseed gel. The golden ratio here is 4 tablespoons of flaxseed to 2 cups of water. Learn from my mistake. I actually added a little extra water during filming because I was worried it would turn out too thick, but it ended up being a bit too runny, so definitely stick to the exact measurements. Because the liquid was already hot, you only need to let it simmer on low heat for about 5 minutes. Just make sure you stir consistently and keep a close eye on the consistency. As soon as you turn off the heat, you need to sieve it immediately. Don't wait. You want to get the most gel out of the seeds, and if it sits for even a minute, it becomes much thicker and way harder to strain. For easy mess-free application on my hair, I love transferring some into a comb applicator bottle. For the rest, I store it in a glass jar. Because this is all natural with 0 preservatives, keep it in the refrigerator and use it within a week. If you want it to last longer, you can pop it in the freezer for up to 6 months. Now here is where the magic happens. To elevate this gel, I like to add a few extra Powerhouse ingredients. First, a splash of glycerin to enhance its natural hydrating properties, transforming it into a super moisturizing and smoothing styling product. Next, I add a carrier oil to lock in that moisture, boost shine, and improve the overall texture. This completely prevents that stiff, crunchy feel you sometimes get from pure gel. Finally, I add black seed oil for its amazing anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits to support hair growth and scalp health. It has a very potent scent, so you only need about 1 or 2 drops. If you've ever tried flaxseed gel in the past and found that it left your hair feeling dry or flaky, you need to incorporate glycerin and oil into it before styling. I promise you it makes such a huge difference. And just like that, our ultimate infused flaxseed gel is ready to use. Let me know in the comments if you're going to try out this recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.